My name's Ben, and today we've got a very, very high spec Porsche Boxster to show you around. This is a 69 registration Boxster S, which means it has the 2.5 litre engine, the much better engine in the 718 generation of Boxster, with 345 horsepower, and it's finished in jet black metallic with two-tone black and crayon interior, and the list of options on this car is massive. And the key bits: Porsche warranty until November 2026, and a full Porsche main dealer service history, just 2 owners from new, and also a very, very low mileage example. But we'll walk around the car and point out as many of those options as we can. So, as I've already said, jet black metallic is the colour, and that goes really nicely with the full black sports design pack on the exterior. So the whole lower front bumper section here is different to a normal Boxster, and you get these slightly extended little flicks in the corners here as well. You've got daytime running light in an LED in the strip just above the air vents there, and we've got LED headlights as well with daytime running lights in there as well. Very, very nice headlight unit. Coming round the side, the 911 turbo alloy wheels, the best wheels on a Boxster, no questions. Diamond cut on the faces, metallic grey on the inserts. We've got the full colour Porsche crest in the centre. That is a cost option, believe it or not. And we've got red painted brake calipers with the Porsche logo on them down there as well. Sports design side skirts, so they're slightly extended at the bottom there. You can see how they sort of come out just before they get to the bottom of the car. Sports design door mirrors with the hole in the middle of them there. We've got painted rollover hoops, which is a really nice touch. And obviously, because it's a Boxster, the roof just goes behind the seats there. So it's very, very quick when you operate it up and down, and we'll show you that afterwards. And then have a look inside. Extended leather everywhere you look. Illuminated carbon fibre tread plates. Carbon fibre dashboard trims, crayon stitching in contrast against the black leather on the dashboards, 18-way electrically adjustable adaptive sports seats, which are the best seats you can have in any generation of Porsche, let alone a Boxster, with the Porsche crests in the headrests as well, and so much more to talk about as we get round the driver's side. But coming round the back, we've got the clear or darkened rear lights, should I say, so no red sort of sections across the centre. It's all sort of a clear light with darkened bits around the sides. And it's very intricate as well if you have a look at the 4 sort of sections. The design in there is really impressive. It's a shame people don't really pay attention to that as much as they probably should with the effort that Porsche put into that. Chrome lettering across the back on the model designation. We've got a sports exhaust system with the twin tailpipes in the middle, and again the sports design rear diffuser with the much bigger sections down the bottom there as well. And then coming around the driver's side, I'll jump in the car and we'll talk through some of the interior options. But before I do so, even details down to these air vents on the side being painted. If you look at most Porsche Boxsters or Caymans, these are just black plastic. In this particular example, they are painted. Makes a big difference when you see them side by side. And then we'll start on the driver's door card here. So as I touched on before, crayon leather on the lower half and black leather across the top, all extended across the top there as well. Makes a huge difference when you see it compared to a car that doesn't have that extended leather. Carbon fibre trims across the doors, memory settings for the driver's seat here, power folding door mirrors, again a cost option, and then a Bose surround sound system with the tweeter in the bottom of the door there. And then I'll fire the car into life and run you through some of the features in front of me. So first of which is this GT steering wheel with the metal shift paddles behind there as well. It's a really sort of driver focused steering wheel, no distractions. You've got your mode switch for the Sports Chrono package, which is up on the dashboard, where you can twist this round to go into Sport, Sport Plus and an individual mode as well. And you can see how that works, and it will open your sports exhaust when you go into Sport or Sport Plus. It's heavily adjustable as well and electronically adjustable, so it can come forwards, backwards, up and down, and that will save on your memory settings on the side there. We've got cruise control, which is done off the stalk behind the left hand side there, and then using the stalk on the right hand side you can control this screen to the right here. So you've got your sat nav, your audio, sports chrono displays, trip meters, various different things you can see on that screen there. And then coming across to the center screen, obviously Porsche's own PCM navigation system, which is very sort of up to date, easy to use. You have got Apple CarPlay if you plug in as well. And if I pop the car into reverse, it'll bring up our reversing camera, and on the left hand side we've got parking sensor displays for the front and rear park distance control, dual zone climate control, heated seats, and then coming down the centre, all that carbon fibre down the centre as well, the sports exhaust system, your start, stop, your roof controls, which will run for you shortly, and also a deployable rear spoiler, which you can move up and down via that button there. Lots of storage under the armrests in the cup holders. You've got a small sort of ashtray down there with a 12-volt socket. And then I'll run the roof so you can see just how quick that comes up and down, because it is very quick. Literally, basically in the time I've said that, the roof is up, the windows will go up, and it will beep, and you'll see it's a fabric roof, but very, very lightweight and easy to use. These are a great car to drive, super enjoyable little sports car for the summer. And I'll jump outside and just summarise. So, a low ownership, low mileage, full Porsche main dealer service history, Porsche warranty until November 2026, beautiful colour scheme of jet black metallic with a two-tone black and crayon interior, and an options list as long as your arm. It's really, really impressive. My name's Ben. I hope the video's helped. Thank you very much for watching.